Hi there, thanks for joining me. I interrupt our scheduled broadcasting to bring you this special video. Well, it's been a couple of weeks since we've launched the Watermelon Squad, and to celebrate in its success, I wanted to really embrace that moment. Now, I feel like Pete, who is obviously the leader of the Watermelon Squad, doesn't quite fully embrace his position. After all, it is named after him and his head, which is the size of a watermelon. So, in order to help him fully embrace his position as the ambassador of the Watermelon Squad, I bought him a gift. Yeah, a watermelon. Well, actually, a lot of watermelons. Now, a gift on its own is not enough. No, I don't think so. So to really spur him on and to make sure he embraces his role as the ambassador of the Watermelon Squad, I'm going to make a little surprise for him. It's currently 6 in the morning. I've gotten to work extra early to lay this surprise, and I'm going to turn his desk, his workspace, from the drab grey environment it currently is into a shrine. A shrine fit for the Watermelon King. Yes, that's right, the Watermelon Shrine. And knowing Pete like I do, I know full well he's fully going to appreciate this nice little surprise that I'm going to make for him. So that's it, trap set. Now all left to do is wait.
Yo mate, where are you?
I'm inside, mate. Just come straight on up.
Alright mate, okay, see you in a sec.
Bye.
Wait.
You alright, mate?
What are you filming for?
A little surprise for you.
I don't want a surprise.
Oh, it's a good one.
Especially when you're filming it.
Oh no, it's great, it's fine, you'll love it. Nice that you're wearing red today as well, that's good.
Don't like the sound of this.
It's good that you're wearing red.
Oh my god. AJ. What the hell? You've even got a rug. Oh my god.
You know,
What the hell's that?
it's an inflatable watermelon ring. Balloons?
Right, and you've changed my wallpaper. Great.
Yeah. Well, you know, it was high time that you had a workspace fitting for the ambassador.
That's not even funny.
It is funny. And it's very serious. Look. Watermelon. Little watermelon plates. Even little watermelon lights. Look, I redecorated your chair as well. You don't look as happy as I thought you'd be.
This isn't staying here.
I thought you needed a shrine to be the ambassador of the Watermelon Squad.
Filmmakers Club. We've done this.
Yeah. So I went out and I bought every single item of watermelon merchandise I could find.
Sake, AJ.
Yeah, congratulations.
What for?
The success of the Watermelon Squad.
The Watermelon Squad.
Oh.
Filmmakers Club and this watermelon thing. I've had enough of it now. That's all it's about, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, let's talk about something other than watermelons the whole video.
I wanted to celebrate the success of the Watermelon Squad.
I think you've done that.
And I wanted to further encourage you to properly embrace your role within it. I don't think you really understand the magnitude of what you've spawned.
I didn't start it. I never wanted it to be the Watermelon Club. The initial talks were, do you think we should do a film? Yes, I do. Yeah. Filmmakers Club.
Yeah.
Where watermelon came from, let's just scrap it at this point. We've done enough of it.
Done enough.
And from this day on, It's the Filmmakers Club.
Well, we'll just let people decide. Comment below if you think it should be called the Watermelon Squad.
And if we get enough people who recognise that the tutorials, the how-to, the help that we offer you, the top 5 videos, if you like them enough and you want to be part of it, comment below, #Filmmakers Club.
I just want some feedback from you, Pete. Did you not enjoy the gifts I got you? I spent my whole weekend.
I could tell. I've never been surprised like it. I've never had a surprise like that.
I don't know if that's good or bad.
So what's the purpose of this video? This week's video is celebrating
the Watermelon Squad.
Which, or the end of the Watermelon Squad.
Yeah, well, just celebrating
And the birth of the Filmmakers Club.
Yeah.
If it was a shrine,
Yeah.
then I would have a crown. That's your effort at a crown.
Now your head's going to smell like a watermelon as well. So that's it. Thanks for joining the Watermelon Squad if you're there. If not, why should they join the Watermelon Squad?
The music library.
Music library.
Which I think is huge just in itself.
Yeah.
Oh, how much to subscribe to all these? You don't need to. Free music.
Yeah.
Second one.
Right.
Access.
Access to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm stuck. Don't worry about being stuck.
What's the hands about though? Access.
Well, without touching.
No touching.
No
access.
touching.
None of that.
You want access?
Stop the hands. It looks like you're touching.
Oh, damn it!
Right.
I hate Adobe. Don't hate it.
Yeah.
Contact Pete. Oh, you can't? Join the club then. Join the club. Access. I'm running out.
3.
Learn to count with Pete and AJ. We got music. We got access.
Yeah. No touching.
We got the how-tos.
Oh, okay.
Tutorials. We got the how-tos.
Merchandise.
Merchandise.
Get
You
free
got
t-shirt.
like acceptance is probably the main thing. Why you should join acceptance. You're not a big coffee drinker. You like drinking tea. We're fine with that.
Yeah. Join us in drinking the YouTube tea revolution.
Yeah, I was ready to end it when I came in this morning. So
you were going to end it at the start.
it's a shame. It's a waste of this week's vlog.
Here you go. Don't drop it.
I'm surprised you didn't draw on it like a character from Castaway.
No! Wilson!